So hi everyone, in this video I will discuss the swapping of the two number using third variable. Okay, so C language, the interview question I am discussing from this video. Okay, so firstly I will understand what are the meaning of the swapping. What are the meaning of the swapping? Okay, so the meaning is simple. The meaning is very simple. Suppose if you enter the value of A is 5, okay, and the value of the B is 10. So after swapping, this value will be interchanged. Okay, this is the meaning of the swapping. After swapping, the value of A and B it will be interchanged. Means I am changing the color. Okay, the value of the A will go into the B, that is the value of the B is 5, and the value of the B will go into the A, the value of A is the 10. Okay, so this way we can interchange. This is the meaning of the swapping. Suppose if you enter the value of A is 3 and B is 7. Okay, so after the swapping the output will look like the value of A and the value it will be changed. The value the output of the value of A it will be 7 and the value of B is the 3. So this is the meaning of the swapping. So how this thing we can do with the help of the third variable. Suppose the value of A is 5, okay, and the value of the B is 10. Okay, so we will consider the another variable, the integer type variable. I am considering the temp. Okay, temp type variable I am considering. Okay, so firstly the value of the A, means whatever the value of A, so we need to store into the another variable, that is the temp variable A. Okay, and then in the variable of A, the value of the B we can store, that is the B. And after all in the B, so we will store the value of the temp. Okay, so this way we can do the swapping of the two number using the third variable. Now I am taking the example. The value of A is 5 and B is 10. Okay, so firstly I take the another variable temp. The temp means the value of the temp is the whatever the value of A, it will go into the temp. So the temp is 5. Okay, and now so A is vacant. No, now in the A I will store the value of the B. What the value of B is 10, so the value of A is 10. Okay, now in the B is vacant, so in the B I will store the value of the temp B already stored in the temp the value of A. So the value of B, in the B, the temp value will go, that is the 5. So this way we can interchange. So right now, so I am doing the C language code on the so right now I am performing the how to write the C language code. So for that I am using the online IDE C compiler. Okay, online IDE the C compiler you can use, and on that you can write the code if you are facing any problem. Means suppose if you have any question and you are not able to write the code, so for understanding you need to so online you can do the code on the online IDC compiler. Okay, so so right now I am writing the code. Okay, so firstly I will take the two variable. Okay, so how we can store the value, so for that I will take the two variable, that is the int A comma B, integer type value I am taking, and another variable I am taking int temp. Okay, for swapping of the two number. So how we can enter the two number from the user. So for that I will write the printf enter a two number. So here user will enter the two number, enter the two number. Okay, and every the line will be end with semicolon, and with the help of the scanf, so we'll enter the two value from the user. Okay, so in the inverted percentage, so for integer type value I am using percentage d address of a comma address of b. So from this way the user will enter the two number, okay. And right now, so right now we want to write the swapping, the code of the swapping. How? So firstly we'll take the temp type variable. In the temp I will store the value of a, okay. Then the value of a is b. Then in b the temp value will come, okay. So finally the program end, and here I am copying the same print function, okay. And finally here I am printing the value, okay. So the swap number is the swap number is percentage d. For integer type value I will use the format specifier percentage d, comma in the b percentage d, okay. And here the value of a and b I will print, okay. See, so I write the code fully, and I am going to run, okay. So this code so run, so there is no error is there. So just I am entering the value. So so the value of value of a I enter the 5 here. Value of a is 5 and the value of b is 10. So see the value of so the value interchange. So here I enter the value of a is 5 and the value of b is 10. So it swap means the value of b will go into a is 10 and b is 5. So the value this way is swap. If you want to take another input, yeah, of course you can take. Suppose I am taking a value of a is 3 and b is 7. No, so this number is swapped. In the a come so value of b come into the a is 7 and b is 3, okay. So this way, so you can do the swapping of the two number using the third variable. I hope you understand. In the next video I will discuss the another thing, okay. Thank you.